Hello friends and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, hi, how are you? If you are new, hi, how are you? My name is Mercedes. I go by That Mom and That Mom Wellness Coach. All of my socials have been linked on the screen, and I also have my website linked below. And if you are new here, yes, I'm always a scatterbrain, but welcome into my channel. For eagle eye viewers that have been here before, you'll know that I've made this recipe before. This chickpea falafel. It is a Mediterranean style chickpea falafel, and this is a recipe that I did do last year at some point in time. It could have been 2 years ago, but I know I have done it already. It's just that I wanted to do it again because now I have the Ninja. I got the Ninja the year before at Christmas time from a viewer. Thank you. I've been trying to make a lot of recipes with the Ninja because I have it, and I want to make sure to kind of show you guys different ways to do, I guess, the same things. So for this recipe, we decided to do falafel because I had, as my oldest daughter would put it, a small child's worth of dill growing in the garden. If you guys saw the last garden update, you guys have seen my giant dill bush, and yes, it was essentially a bush of dill, and I wanted to be able to use it in as many things as possible. So with the dill, we looked around the house or looked around the kitchen and decided, look, I have all these chickpeas, let's go ahead and make some chickpea falafel. So all of the information that I have on the screen is all the nutritional facts about the different ingredients within the falafel. So I will tell you my takeaway on the Ninja versus the blender in this recipe. The Ninja is much more space. That is my greatest takeaway from doing this recipe in the Ninja versus having done the recipe in the blender before. Is much more space. In the blender, I had a lot of scraping to do, and I got a lot of stuff stuck down there in the blades and everything. With the Ninja, it was less likely to get stuck, and if it did get stuck, it was easier to get unstuck. Also, it doesn't hurt that the Ninja was essentially brand new when I did this recipe. If you want more Ninja videos, let me know in the comments below, because there's a lot more things that I do want to try with the Ninja. Back to the falafel, just about the falafel in general, this is, of course, like I said, a very easy recipe to put together. We had little to no planning on our end to actually do the falafel this day. This was just things that we ended up having in the pantry because of all the recipes that I have done on this channel. I know a lot of these things aren't very common, like a normal household probably doesn't have hemp hearts, but I have been on a hemp heart kick. I got them for a recipe, and ever since I had them that first time, I felt the benefits from them. I felt really good from them. My doctor gave me the go-ahead to add in the things to my diet and everything. He said as long as it didn't mess with my gut, because we were still trying to figure out at the time when I got the hemp hearts if we were celiac or not, which we really haven't taken the test yet. My doctor just had me do the elimination diet when it came to doing that, and I do find that I run better. Yeah, my name is Mercedes. Hi, I'm making a car pun. I do run better when I have more gluten-free type things and more better for me type things. So I'm very happy to have the hemp hearts in my pantry. I've been adding them into a lot of stuff. I've even added them into my morning oats sometimes. I really wanted to add chia seeds, but I was all out of chia seeds, so I tried hemp hearts and it worked, guys. I did see online a disclaimer saying that if you are allergic to any cannabinoids or anything, you may be allergic to hemp hearts. So if you don't know if you're allergic, be careful. So yeah, that was a weird thing that I had never actually thought about before. But I guess now that a lot of more things are becoming more legal and more recreational, that is a good warning to have, you know. But in the end, this recipe is very good, and the whole family really enjoyed it. My husband also ate a good amount of them. We did more than what was shown in the video because, yeah, we had enough for a good couple days, and they were very good, very easy to reheat. We just threw them into the, we have the toaster oven, and so our toaster oven was what we had air fried them in, so that's how we reheated them. And yeah, made little falafel sandwiches, and we had that homemade tzatziki sauce, which I will also link the video above. I will link, of course, like I said, the last video we did making falafel and tzatziki sauce. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you liked this version of this video. And if you did, please like it and subscribe if you're not, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.